How to remove profile picture on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch TikTok application on your device. Go to your profile at bottom right corner. Now tap Edit Profile button. When you tap on Change Photo icon, there is no option to delete or remove your profile picture. So TikTok doesn't have an option to remove your profile picture, but here's what you can do. Simply you need to tap on change photo and after that select take photo button. Now you simply need to point your camera at a flat surface. Turn off the flash and after that you need to take a black photo to use your profile picture. As you can see that we have successfully taken. Alternatively, you can Google plain white image, download one and upload it as your profile picture. So now you can easily post this photo to a story as well by check marking the small circle and now tap on save button at bottom right corner of the screen. You can even search default profile picture, commons, wiki, find a generic image, download it, and set it as your profile picture. So that is how we remove our TikTok profile picture current situation, as there is no certain way. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.